Hi friends, hope you're doing good. You're watching Kamalika Korok. Thanksgiving just passed and now it's time to get ready for Christmas. This celebration isn't complete without cranberry pistachio cookies. So let's get started. Take 1 cup of cranberries, half cup of pistachios, and half cup of cashew nuts. Chop them well. Take a big orange and a lemon, then grate them to make the zests. Orange and lemon zests are very important to enhance the aroma of these flavorful cookies. Take 300 grams of all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of kosher or normal salt. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Now it's time to make the cookie dough. I'm using a dough maker here, but you can use any beater. Take 240 grams of softened butter, preferably, or room temperature butter, and whip it well. Then add all the sugar gradually and combine nicely. Add the eggs one by one and mix thoroughly. Throughout the dough making process, keep scraping the bowl often. After adding the eggs, the mixture becomes a little runny. This is the time to add the flavors. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Then add the orange and lemon zests and mix again. Now add the flour gradually, otherwise it may form lumps. This mixing process takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Scrape the dough in between. Mix all the nuts together and fold them into the dough thoroughly using a spatula. Now our colorful dough is ready. Cover the dough with cling wrap and refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the dough out and shape it into your desired size. I prefer making round cookies weighing 25 grams each. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, flatten the cookies gently. After preheating, place the cookies in the oven and bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Baking time may vary from oven to oven. Our cranberry pistachio cookies are ready. Trust me, they are incredibly flavorful. Place them on a rack and let them cool completely. Then you can store them in an airtight container. But I can't resist. I'm having them with coffee every single day. Hopefully, you enjoyed my cookie recipe. See you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and happy.